Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. Another day. Today is day 5 here in Kashmir, and we are in Srinagar. We're leaving to Sonmargh from here. The time right now it's about 10:30 in the morning. Beautiful sunny morning here in Srinagar. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. And we are heading to Sonmargh, as I said, by road. We're going to stay over tonight there, and then from there to Kargil and then Leh. So stay tuned. Another view of the Dal Lake from a boathouse here in Srinagar. If you have not seen the boathouse, I'll just do a quick tour. That's the houseboat we stayed in the lobby. And there's a dining area. And the view of the lake. Beautiful the lake from our houseboat. And we're heading on in a shikara. This is all the staff who helped us out. Thank you everyone. Welcome. So we are on the shikara ride here in the Dal Lake. Beautiful sunny morning. Today is a Tuesday. I think it's 4th of April 2023. Hope you're enjoying my entire Himalayan escapade. This is my 5th episode today. If you have not seen the early ones, please do watch. Also give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. And if you have any comment suggestions, do write on the comment section below. Stay tuned as we head to Sonmargh today. Well, it was time to say adieu to this beautiful city of Srinagar as we head into the mountains to Sonmargh. And also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. Also my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned for this Himalayan escapade to Sonmargh. So we are en route to Sonmargh. Stopped here for a quick tea and snacks. The weather has changed completely and it's like drizzling and there's light snow around. You can see snow-capped mountains all across, and I heard the Zozila Pass is closed due to avalanche and heavy snow. So I'm not sure what we're going to do to reach Leh. Stay tuned. Let's see how things go. See you on the other side. Fresh snowfall falling across. We are just in the border of Sonmargh. It's so beautiful. The snowfall. This is where we are. About 80 kilometers from Srinagar, and it's snowing like crazy. You can see the flakes all across. It's freezing cold. Wow, what a feeling. Proper first snowfall I'm facing in my life. How is it, Jiggy? Snowfall? Woo! Experience.
Nice.
Woo! See there, snow. So beautiful. It's worth coming all this way just to see this. all around. Wow, what an experience it is here. Close to Sonmargh. It's freezing cold, but the experience is just out of this world. You should come to Sonmargh, Gulmarg, Kashmir. This is so damn beautiful. You should never miss this chance. Something in India where you can explore is much better than many countries abroad. It's just unexplored. Tried a snowmobile first time. Kavya, Sonmargh.
It's very beautiful.
And Jiggy.
Hi.
Well, this is Sonmargh. We are in this hotel, the village walk here at Sonmargh. It looks white all around. It's snowing still, light snow, but it was heavy snow when we got here, as we saw earlier. It was snowing all the way about 15-20 kilometers before we reached Sonmargh itself. That's the village walk here at Sonmargh. Beautiful property and a view, breathtaking view of the mountains. It's not in the town, it's just a little uphill with a beautiful view. I'll put the link of this hotel down in my description box. That's the hotel we're staying here, Village Walk. Hotel The Village Walk. Check the walk around. That's the view. That's our room down the valley. Hope you guys had fun watching this fantastic video of Srinagar to Sonmargh. Beautiful place, Sonmargh. Must visit. So catch you on the other side. Day 5 coming up. More exciting as we head to Kargil from here. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos, and also don't forget to follow me on social media, Djmahaneet, both Instagram and Facebook fan page, and that's the hotel we're staying in. So good night, see you on the other side, bye bye.